Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're addressing a puzzling WhatsApp issue that many users encounter, when you can see that someone has viewed your status, but their name doesn't appear in your viewer list. If you're noticing missing viewers or inconsistent view counts, I've got you covered with these practical solutions for 2025. Let's start with the quickest and most effective fixes. This visibility issue often comes down to privacy settings or app glitches that are easy to resolve. First, let's try the simplest solution. Force close and restart WhatsApp. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to view your recent apps, find WhatsApp, and swipe it completely off the screen. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the app and check if your viewer list appears correctly now. If that doesn't work, let's check your internet connection. WhatsApp status requires a stable connection to sync viewer information properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists on both networks. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or restarting it. Now, let's clear WhatsApp's cache. Go to your phone settings, apps, WhatsApp storage. Tap Clear Cache first and test if your viewer list appears correctly. If not, go back and tap Clear Data. This will reset the app without deleting your chats, but you may need to verify your number again. If you're still experiencing issues, let's check for app updates. Outdated apps can cause status viewing problems. Open your App Store, search for WhatsApp, and install any available updates. WhatsApp frequently releases updates that fix bugs related to status features. For those using dual SIM or multiple numbers, let's check your default account settings. Sometimes WhatsApp can get confused about which number's status to show viewers for. Go to WhatsApp settings, account the default number and ensure the correct number is selected. If the problem continues, let's verify your privacy settings. Go to WhatsApp settings, account privacy status. Make sure your privacy settings aren't set to exclude certain contacts from seeing when you viewed their status, as this can sometimes affect reciprocal visibility. As a last resort, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. Before doing this, make sure you've backed up your chats to Google Drive or iCloud. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, then download a fresh copy from your App Store. After reinstalling, restore your chat backup and check if the status viewer issue is resolved. I know how confusing it can be when WhatsApp status isn't showing viewers properly, especially when you're trying to see who's keeping up with your updates. One of these solutions should restore your viewer list functionality. For most people, simply updating the app or clearing its cache does the trick. If this guide helped you resolve your WhatsApp status viewer issues, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more messaging app troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.